Hello folks, this is Liu View channel. My name is Martin. I hope you have a balanced day. Today we make a dish is called the fried pork with cucumber. Chinese name called 凉瓜炒肉片 or 黄瓜炒肉片. The main ingredients we need one small carrot and 2 cucumber and small piece of pork loin and 1 teaspoon to 1 tablespoon ginger. Those are the main ingredients we need for this dish. Okay, we cut the ginger. The ginger we don't need. We need 1 teaspoon to 1 tablespoon. So this small piece I will cut off it. Slice it. Just be careful. Okay, and we cut it like this. Try to cut as small as possible. If not, we will chop it later. This is the ginger we get. Okay, we cut this carrot. This carrot I already peeled the skin. We cut it first like this. If we cut like this, then we hold it like this. Be careful. So the final will be like this. This is the carrot we get. Okay, we cut this cucumber, we wash it. We cut this part off and this part off. Okay, then we cut it like this. And we cut the carrot like this. And we cut it like this. Try to be thin. Don't need to be very thin, so it will be like this. If you don't want the skin, you can use the peel skin. Because this cucumber looks kind of fresh, so I don't peel the skin. This is the cucumber after cutting we get it. Okay, we cut the pork loin. This pork loin we cut it. If you feel too long, we cut it from the middle. Okay. Then we cut it like this. Try to cut it thin, probably like this. Like this, and then we cut it from the middle, so the final meat will be like this. When it becomes really thin, this much, we cut it some left, and then it's hard to cut like that. We can do it like this. Just like slowly. Be careful your finger. Just be careful. Be very slow and cut it so it will be 2 small pieces. So we cut from the middle. Okay, into the pot. This is the meat we cut it. Turn on the stove. Medium flame. When the pot is hot, we add 2 tablespoons vegetable oil to it. 2 tablespoons vegetable oil to it. Rinse the pot. When the oil is hot, we add the pork in, slice the pork into it. Just be careful, don't add water to it. slowly fry until the fat in the pot go to the oil and there's not a lot of liquid in the pot. So we go to the next step. Now you can see in the pot there's a lot of liquid, and we just slowly fry until those liquid is gone. Then we go to liquid gone, just the pork and the pork fat and the oil left in the pot. Now you can see just the pork and oil, the pork and fat is left in the pot. We added the ginger into it. Add the chopped ginger. Fry. Slowly fry until the ginger releases good smell. When the ginger releases good smell, we add the carrots into it and fry. Now we put the cucumber into it and fry. This is the Chinese 13 spices. We add a pinch of Chinese 13 spices to it. If you don't have it, add Chinese brown spices or just add a pinch of black pepper. So just add a pinch, don't add too much. And fry. This is the soy sauce, and we add 2 tablespoons soy sauce to it. And fry. This is salt. We add 1 teaspoon salt to it. Don't add too much. This is chicken soup based mixture. We add a pinch to it. Don't add too much. Just a little pinch. While the meat and the cucumber is cooking, we make a liquid starch. This is the potato starch. We add 1 teaspoon of potato starch to a bowl. And add a 1/4 cup of water to it to make a liquid starch. Mix it. We use later. Okay. Okay, we fry it. Just slowly fry. And now we turn the fire to the high fire. Should we try the carrots? The carrots are fully cooked. Now we add we all know the meat is also fully cooked. We add the liquid starch to it. Slowly add it to it. Add a half. And mix it. Okay. They add the other half of liquid starch to it. And mix it. Okay, when the sauce right now, you can see the sauce thick up. Sauce thick up. So this dish is done. We turn off the stove. Look at this. So the fried pork with cucumber. This dish, Chinese name called 凉瓜炒肉片 or 黄瓜炒肉片. This dish is done, and I hope you like it. And please subscribe, share, like, and comment. And see you next time.